Yeah, my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dave Online TV. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about just one thing. Why do other coin drop down when Bitcoin is going down? And why do other coin go up when Bitcoin is going up? A lot of people get confused about that question, and a lot of people make mistake when doing analysis when it comes to that angle. Because if you are doing an analysis and you did not remember to involve Bitcoin first, I promise you that your analysis will always goes wrong, because Bitcoin happens to be the first cryptocurrency exchange. If Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency or first coin to be launched, each movement move other coin also. Before you do an analysis, you first of all press a little tag on Bitcoin and check both the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis of that Bitcoin at that moment, but mostly technical analysis. If you do a technical analysis properly on Bitcoin, if that coin is following Bitcoin at that moment, then your trade probably will be right. Because in case you want to trade on, let me say, you want to trade on Dogecoin, or you want to trade on Ethereum, or you want to trade on Solana, let me say Solana at first. If you want to trade on Solana, then at that moment Bitcoin is still bearish. Then you want to trade for Solana to go up, to be on bullish, or to pull up, or to long. Then Bitcoin at the moment is still bearish. Let me tell you the truth. In due time, that Solana will turn back to follow that first step that Bitcoin is following, which is bearish, which you long the coin. I know. Let me break a little and go to a video so that you understand the step properly. I will do a little analysis for you to understand. I don't want this video to be too long. I will do a little analysis for you to understand so that you will not get confused of what I'm saying. Let's go to the video.
Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is the analysis I'm talking about. For example, this is Bitcoin analysis, and this is what we call technical analysis. Now, you understand that Bitcoin is already on bearish. You understand? So now if you want to make an analysis on other coin so that you can trade on other coin, you first of all do an analysis on this Bitcoin. It's very, very important. For example, if this Bitcoin is on bearish and you discover that the Bitcoin is maintaining this line I drawed here, the reason why it's maintaining this line is because it see a support line and the support line is strong. That's why you see the Bitcoin dangling, forming a new little candle in that same line. You discover that I have a support line here, one, two, three. Then the number four is forming already. If Bitcoin is forming a support line here, you will discover that if you are doing an analysis, you will need to do other analysis, watching what are those coins. Because some of those coins, if Bitcoin is forming like this or going down, you see some of those coins going up. Don't follow. Don't follow. Watch properly. Come back to Bitcoin. See if the Bitcoin is paused for a particular place or going down. Go back to that particular coin and watch. Let me say you are doing for Dogecoin. You come back to Dogecoin and watch what Dogecoin is doing. Sorry, not Dogecoin. You come back to Dogecoin and watch what the Dogecoin is doing. If you watch what Dogecoin is doing, you will discover that Dogecoin still maintain the same angle BTC is maintaining. That is a proper analysis. Are you understanding? That's a proper analysis. So your analysis now, your technical analysis now will be, will this Bitcoin move from here up or move from here down? Are you getting what I'm saying, Abi? If your analysis tells you that the Bitcoin will move from here up, you will place the trade, you will long the trade. If your analysis tells you that the Bitcoin is moving from here down, you will short the trade. But first, you have to do a proper analysis on Bitcoin and watch if the coin you are trading is doing the same thing as Bitcoin is doing. If the coin is doing the opposite side, don't trade on that coin, because if you trade on that coin, immediately Bitcoin turn against that coin, you will discover that that coin will turn back following what Bitcoin is following, and it will end you losing money. I don't want to go deep. I don't want to go deep now, because if I continue to go deep, the video will be too long, and I don't want the video to be too long. But if you don't understand what I explained here in this video, you can subscribe to my channel, like my video, on your notification bell. When you on your notification bell, you make a comment. Tell me to make another video for you to understand. I will gladly do that. If you look very well, I'm a very complete trader. That is what I do for a living. If you look very well, you discover that I've traded a lot in this particular Dogecoin. You will see short, long, sorry, you see short, buy. All this S is short, all this S you are seeing is short, or you can call it, let me use this language so that you understand. All this S is sell, all this B is buy, all this B, all this thing you are seeing is buy, sell, buy, sell. You can look at them. I've been trading for some times now, not just now, it's over 4 years now. So I'm not a novice when it comes to this angle. Even if you go to BTC, you will discover that I've traded BTC a lot also. So I'm not just a trader, I'm not just an amateur. Sorry, if you are in BTC, you go to future, because I mostly trade on future trading in BTC. Go to future, you discover there is a reason why I trade future trading in BTC. There's a reason why I trade future in BTC, and it's very simple. The reason why I trade future in BTC is because trading a future trading in BTC is very, very, very stable than other coins. Now that I want to show you guys, this thing is misbehaving. Okay, now you can see sell, you can see buy, that is B and S. This thing is misbehaving, is proving stubborn. Where is all this buy and sell? Just forget this one for now. Oh, sorry. I normally use other accounts. I have more than one particular account on Bybit. So, but I believe you understand what I say. So, if you look at Solana now, you discover that Solana is still giving you the same analysis. Discover that Solana is on bearish. Bitcoin is going down, so Solana is going down. And let me not continue this tutorial, because if I continue this tutorial, it's complete full time and it will get you guys confused. It's complete full time, will get you guys confused. So it's one step at a time. Let me close the video. Thank you so much.